I'm getting my degree at Merced College in Administrative Office Management. Straight out of high school, I went to college, and I've been in and out of college. I've worked a lot, and I took a break from school. I realized that I knew what I was doing was really good, but I felt like I needed to do more. And with my school and education, it could take me farther into what I want to do. I am the oldest out of 5 girls, so I am also the first generation of my family to go to college, and that to us is very huge. And now I have 2 sisters in college, and that makes me very proud. Because of this degree, I can definitely be a stronger candidate with more skills. I want to be a CFO one day, so that is my goal. Coming to Merced College, I see potential for myself. With the Administrative Office Management certification, I believe that I will hold a higher position in a company and be valuable with the certification. After my certificate, I am hoping to have a really good job, hopefully in management, somewhere. I don't want to start at the bottom, I want to be somewhere up higher. But when I have my certificate, I will definitely have a better job than what I had before. Career education, find it, be it.